Hi, co-journeyer and friends. As I have promised that this July I will be going to Georgia in Tbilisi and later on will feature also Yerevan, Armenia. Watch for that. This is a short video about my trip to Tbilisi, capital city of Georgia. I highly recommend you visit this country. It's not only beautiful because it's included among the European country, but it's one of the cheapest travel destination you can visit. I stayed near to Kuti Marjanisbili Street and went by foot to old Tbilisi town. I rode a cable car for a few minutes, stayed to see the mother of Georgia, then walked down Mitiki, take video of Kura River, walk heading to Ablabari Metro subway. Wowed by the deep structure of metro. What if going up the escalator stop? Of course, try the popular dish of Georgian, the kinkali, khachapuri, badrijani. Never to forget drinking a homemade sweet red wine. If you like this video, do subscribe and like for more video I will feature. See you on my Armenia video travel. Thank you for watching.
This is the car. Then you have to wait for your turn. This is the cable car.